Okay. So I just opened my Overtone box, but I haven't looked in yet. Alright. First thing is the Overtone Vibrant Silver. That's the color I got. And daily conditioner. So this is what I would use when I wash my hair. This is the only thing that I need to use when conditioning to keep my color. This is the Vibrant Silver Deep Treatment for more color. They said this would give you a little bit more intense color. So it looks like a dark purple. Smell like that either. It's like a not a strong mentholated smell, but you know, it's got just a hint. And this is a Vibrant Silver Daily Conditioner. What I would believe is like a travel bottle. So if you go on vacation, take it with you and you can use it while you're out and about doing whatever. So I'm going to wash my hair, and then I'm going to gotta have some gloves on. I'm going to put the deep treatment on. So I will be back. So I put the deep conditioner on. And you can see it went on like normal. So I'm supposed to sit with on my head for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm using the deep treatment. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse, cleanse. And then you can use it on dry hair too, so you don't have to wash it. It can be clean dry hair and then you put it on. But you can wash it and then use it as a regular conditioner. So it is changing, actually. It was a lot lighter on top. So we will see. So it's kind of like the purple shampoo, but this has silver tone. Maybe like that Wella they use for gray hair. So yeah, I'm going to end up getting stuff on my glasses. But yeah. So I will be back with dry, colorful hair. Alright, y'all. You ready to see the final finished product? Wow, my glasses are fogged up. I like it. Yeah.